but the defending is shocking. The defending, like it is really really shocking how we are defending, especially utrack run, yabo. You're gonna do that against abo Amadialo, against abo Odemola Lookman, yabona nje, and sizoba punished, like severely punished if sizo defend ngale ndlela le, and not being tight on our opponents, I'm a strike, because imagine we play against Nigeria now, and then we defend like this. Abo Victor Osimhen, they're gonna have a free show. Yabo, they're gonna have a free show. Abo Lookman bazobukisa ngathi. Yabo, so we have to be better at defending. Like, we have to be better with our defending. You cannot defend like this in a tournament of this nature. Awukwazi uzophuma nje manje.